We'll guide you through how to make a PDF file on a mobile. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because you can then go and have the PDF file on your device. Now, there are different ways in which this can be done depending upon what you're wanting to make the PDF file with. To get started, you need to go and find the Google Drive app. So it's likely this is already on your device. You can swipe up and press search at the top and go and type in Drive. If it doesn't, go and open up the Google Play Store and you can get it from there. You want to go and press Files in the bottom right, and we'll go and press the plus in the top right. If you're wanting to go and make a PDF from scanning something in, what you can do is go and press Scan, and then what you're going to do is go and put it in the frame, and it'll go and automatically capture it. Then you can go and adjust it to your liking here and press Next in the bottom right. Make sure you select PDF, and then you can go and press Upload. Then you want to go and click on it like this, and here it is. You want to go and tap on it, and you can then go and download it onto your device by pressing the top right and pressing Download. Another way you can go and do this is by pressing the plus in the bottom right, and you want to go and press Google Docs, type in the text or paste text in. You can go and add images as well. You can go and press the plus in the top right, and you could go and add in an image. Tap an image and it'll then go and be added. Press the three dots in the top right, go down and press Share and Export. Press Save As. You can then select PDF and press OK. Then you can go and press Download at the top and we can go and download it.